Every precision component starts with a reliable manufacturing process. Let's take a look at how we turn raw materials into high-performance industrial parts. The process begins with casting. By carefully controlling material composition and molding quality, we create a solid foundation for every component. Once the casting is completed, the rough workpiece moves to precision machining. Advanced CNC equipment removes excess material and machines critical dimensions with high accuracy. Every cut brings the component closer to its final specification. Before gear cutting begins, each workpiece is mounted using dedicated fixtures. For transmission components, the next step is gear manufacturing. Precision gear cutting ensures smooth motion, low noise, and reliable power transmission. To improve durability and wear resistance, key components undergo heat treatment. Controlled heat treatment enhances hardness, strength, and service life under demanding operating conditions. Before reaching our customers, every component must pass strict quality inspection. Dimensions, geometry, and performance are carefully verified using advanced inspection equipment. Quality is checked, not assumed. Only qualified components move forward to assembly and final delivery. From raw materials to finished components, precision is built into every step. With Sango Automation as your manufacturing partner, you gain reliable quality, efficient production, and complete one-stop support.